Alright, we're going to unbox and we're going to take a look at this right here. I ordered some tail light, brake lights for Jordan's pickup. It's a, his truck's a 1999 and a half, the old body style. So these are good for a 1990 or a 1988 to a 1998 or a 1999 and a half GMC or Chevy Silverado, Sierra, for the C1500, the C2500, the C3500 pickup. I got these off of eBay, $143.99, and then they charged a tax. It was free shipping. But they're the Spartan black LED red tube tail lights, brake left and right. So I've already cut it open here. So packing looks really good. Oh yeah, that's real nice. So they've got the little sensor with it to keep them from flashing real fast, so that they should work normal like your regular taillights. That's a really good looking light. I think it's going to look really good on his truck. So they've packed them in here in this foam, real nice, and then they actually put another piece of foam in between them. And then here's your other one for the other side. Got your backup light down here. You've got little LEDs in between here, and then these here will light up too. I think it'll look real cool once we get them fired up and get them on. And then you've got some screws. And then you've got another piece of packing in the bottom. So they did a really good job of packing them. So we'll get these installed and we'll see what they look like. Alright, so in order to change these taillights out right here, you've got a screw right here, and then you've got a screw right here. So we're going to take them loose. And this should just pop right out. There we go. Kind of push it in just a little bit to get it to loosen up, and then just pull this little clip off right here. Back it, hold it up a little bit. Just wiggle it loose, and that should be good. Let's see. It should be the right side. So all you've got to do is hook this right here back in. Alright, one thing that I do notice on this right here is, like on the factory, it's got a little latch right here. This one here don't really have anything there, so you just want to make sure that you've really got that pushed in there and you've got it plugged in good. Another thing too is this didn't come with a backup bulb in it, so you'll have to take your one out of here, out of your old tail light, or else buy you a one to put in there. I'm going to get an LED later. I'll get an LED bulb and put in it. So to take this off, I'm just using a Black & Decker screw gun. If you'll pull the bit, just pull the bit out, that's the same size as your screws right here. And that's all I did. I didn't have to have another tool for that. I just took and used it like that. So then, once you take your screw out here and here, You just pull this out, then you take your bulb. You shouldn't handle these bulbs without gloves on or some kind of deal. You really shouldn't handle them with your hand, but I'd already done that, so I've already got them swapped out. We've did a check on it and made sure everything works, so now all we're going to do is reverse the process. One thing I do want to say though is when you're putting this on, when you get this little piece right here has got some sticky stuff on the back of it right here. So you're going to want to take that and you're going to kind of put this in here, tuck it in back here out of the way. And if you do these while it's new, it's got plenty of sticky on it and it's not been dirty or anything that way, and then it'll just stick right through that. So now all we should have to do is just put it back together. I left this clear stuff on it to last, and I'm just going to kind of pull this down out of the way, away from my edges. I don't want to take this off before I actually get it put on, because I don't want it to, I don't want to scratch my lens up while I'm handling them. Looks like that's on there, it's stuck to the plastic pretty good. Okay, pull this all back, away from your edges. There we go. And then, one thing, when you're putting them on, make sure you got the right side. I had the wrong side, so just put all your stuff back in here out of the way. Lock that in. So there's what it looks like in the back. I think that looks really good. It's real nice. I like that. It's got you a good seal all the way around it. Looks good. Keep the water out. So we'll do the other side. In here, push her down. And you're just going to put this in here, turn it and lock it, make sure that's in there good. Like I said, when you're doing this right here, they don't have a latch. It doesn't have a latch on it like the OEMs do, so just make sure that you're getting that in there and you're all the way in, because that's going to keep your water out of your plug. So you want to make sure that you're doing that. And I've already stuck this right here up in here. Like I said, this here keeps your lights from flashing real fast, like you see some people would use when you use LEDs. That's what happens. So they put that on there. It makes them blink normal. And then just gonna put that in there. Make sure your wires are tucked up in there real good. I'll get back in. There you go. All right, let's see what they look like. Looks pretty good. That'll look real good at night.